Emmanuel, your name be praised. Emmanuel, your name be praised. When we come in your name, you are right within our midst. Emmanuel, your name be praised. You are God with us, and the God who is in us.